Right, makahuli kaya to. Alright, nandito na naman tayo sa D3 Business Bay. Another day. Ayan, Sir Jun, ready na.
Okay.
Tatapon lang no? Kakarating lang. Yung pain nandyan. Alright, so it's another day. Let's try fishing again here. Look, wait lang. Let's try again to fish here in, ano pangalan nito? Nalimutan ko na naman. D3. Yan, malapit sa Jeddah. And then let's try to catch big fish. Kasi wala na nag-fishing. Medyo mainit. Don't forget to bring your water bottles and some refreshments. Alright? Stay safe, everyone. Fishing is fun, but always safety first. Alright, bye! Alright, ayan, nakaset up nito kasi. So, hapon na sa June, ready na to. Sobrang haba nito, guys. Parang mga 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter plus and a half. I do think so, yeah. If I'm not right or wrong. Maliit yan? Maliit yan.
Nakita mo to?
Oo.
Yan.
Try mo nga. Maliit yan?
Kung sa maliit.
Maliit nga yan. Alright, let's do this. Ba't ayaw mag-loose? Pwede nga. Ayun.
Pero sa maliit, hindi yan sa yung isang maliit.
Alright. Now let's bait time. Sana makahuli ng malaki isda. Kasi wala kang ulam. No have food. Alright, like na tayo, guys. Ayan, itipahin natin. This is our bait. We didn't get prepared anything today. I mean, like it was so busy. And then we didn't prepare anything with the salt. So maybe tomorrow we'll put some salt with this one. So I just bought 2 packs of shrimp, and let's try to hook it up. Hooking it up, it's the most important thing. It's like to never get loose. You need to do hooking up like 2 slots, like here and then there. Let's try to put the head of the shrimp there, because we're catching big fish now. Big fish, huh? Let's try this one. Baka swertihin, hindi natin alam. We don't know. Right. First tapon, but ayaw nito, sira na yung setup ko talaga, promise. Anyway, guys, I'm using telescopic and number 14 hook, and this is a very cheap rod from Carrefour, 70 dirhams. This one is like Shimano Shena 1000. I bought it like 3 years ago. So yeah,